We need to plus verb. We need to try our best. We need to ask for help. We need to speak English. We need to ask questions. We need to study grammar. We need to study grammar. We need to attend classes. We need to enjoy learning. We need to write sentences. We need to learn new words. We need to read more books. We need to help each other. We need to share our ideas. We need to listen carefully. We need to listen carefully. We need to review regularly. We need to create sentences. We need to ask for feedback. We need to use language apps. We need to have fun learning. We need to focus on learning. We need to enjoy the process. We need to practice speaking. We need to explore new topics. We need to use the dictionary. We need to celebrate progress. We need to practice every day. We need to write in a journal. We need to discover new words. We need to watch English news. We need to improve our skills. We need to encourage teamwork. We need to remember the words. We need to focus on our goals. We need to share our progress. We need to learn from mistakes. We need to learn from mistakes. We need to play language games. We need to share language tips. We need to develop good habits. We need to appreciate mistakes. We need to set realistic goals. We need to challenge ourselves. We need to read English stories. We need to watch English videos. We need to watch English videos. We need to complete assignments. We need to watch English movies. We need to review grammar rules. We need to adapt to new lessons. We need to encourage each other. We need to share language goals. We need to try different methods. We need to try different methods. We need to explore new exercises. We need to help each other learn. We need to understand each other. We need to utilize language apps. We need to improve pronunciation. We need to practice with friends. We need to support our classmates. We need to support our classmates. We need to improve our vocabulary. We need to practice pronunciation. We need to attend language events. We need to exchange language tips. We need to create a study schedule. We need to practice writing essays. We need to engage in conversations. We need to attend language classes. We need to engage in conversations. We need to attend language classes. We need to watch English tutorials. We need to collaborate on projects. We need to try different exercises. We need to communicate with others. We need to try new study techniques. We need to share language resources. We need to attend language meetups. We need to enjoy the language journey. We need to watch educational videos. We need to practice active listening. We need to explore language websites. We need to celebrate small victories. We need to attend language workshops. We need to explore language podcasts. We need to challenge ourselves daily. We need to celebrate our achievements. We need to share language experiences. We need to enjoy the learning journey. We need to enjoy the language journey. We need to understand diverse accents. We need to enjoy the learning process. We need to explore different resources. We need to understand cultural nuances. We need to appreciate cultural nuances. We need to use language apps regularly. We need to embrace learning challenges. We need to review vocabulary regularly. We need to review vocabulary regularly. We need to immerse ourselves in English. We need to practice with native speakers. We need to try different study materials. We need to participate actively in class. We need to appreciate cultural diversity. We need to create flashcards for learning. We need to encourage a positive atmosphere.